today I'm back at Bukit Panjang showing you a 4-room flat at Block 519, Jelapang, and it's just 2 minutes away from Jelapang LRT. Stepping into this spacious 4-room 103 square meter unit, you'll find the country-style aesthetic. The kitchen is efficiently designed with plenty of kitchen cabinage and storage space. There is also a sliding door which you can close it during your cooking. Look at this spacious yard, enough to fit your washing machine and your laundry. The common rooms are good size and has a squarish layout. Now for the master bedroom. The squarish layout can fit a king-size bed and a large wardrobe. They both come complete with built-in wardrobes while having enough room for the other furnishings. This unit is just 2 minutes walk from Jelapang LRT on the Bukit Panjang line and is extremely close to the KJE. Feeling hungry? Head over to nearby Senja Hawker Centre, Helium Mall, Bukit Panjang Plaza, Junction 10 and Greenridge Shopping Centre for a host of eateries, restaurants and retail shops. Enjoy going for a jog? You can go to nearby parks such as Bukit Panjang Neighbourhood 5 Park, Pang Sua Pond. They are just a few minutes away. Parents with schooling kids, there are a range of schools nearby such as Greenridge Primary, Zhenhua Secondary, West Spring Secondary, Westview Primary and Zhenhua Primary, all within 2 kilometers away. Wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.